I mean, we just came to chill and have fun.
What's up, people? Welcome to another episode of Let's Travel. This week we are outside of Kingston and we're in the beautiful Montego Bay. Yes, the weather kind of down, but we're still up, and we're here at Sea Island Beach Club, which is a hidden gem. But guess what? Forward. Sea Island Beach Club's a new location at an iconic historic location, which would be Casablanca Beach Hotel. So we're a new venue, which is really, we're operating a beach bar and restaurant on a beautiful private beach in Montego. So we opened November 5th. November was a soft launch. It was I'd say about a little bit more than a half a month. And then we opened officially in December. We have a lot of tourists that come to the location and then a lot of locals that come as well. So it's really who's looking for a good vibe. Because of our location, we see a lot of tourists that come in and out, but it's also a local favorite. We consider it an iconic beach location for a lot of Montegonians, so we cater to both crowds. So visitors can expect an easy beach vibe. So we're looking to kind of position the property after traditional beach clubs, which is rooted in service. We want to serve. That's really ultimately our goal, is to have a higher standard for service. Good music, good food, light vibes, access to the beach. What sets us apart is a higher commitment. So while we're a new venue, we're constantly reviewing what we're doing, pluses and deltas, past experiences with customers that are here. And that's both with the service standard, drinks, food. So we are trying to constantly reinvent ourselves week over week to aim for a higher standard. And we're not certain if other places are doing that. We're only focused on ourselves. Sea Island Beach Club experience, I would say, is a hearty welcome, and it's really our staff trying to set you up with what's gonna make your day. If it's an umbrella and a chair on the beach, if it's good food, good drinks. Some people are looking to celebrate special occasions, other persons are just looking to celebrate the most random Wednesday, which is fine with us. So I think that the experience side of it is just coming to do a location where you feel very comfortable and at home. People should come to Sea Island Beach Club if they're looking to kind of what we would consider a redefinition of like charm and luxury. There's a lot of places in Montego Bay to go to. Some of them are very touristy, where our roots are set in kind of like a resurgence of old thinking, charm, class. So we want people to come and experience that. The location itself is a historic location. So while we have our eyes set at high standards and new cocktails and new and exciting food, there's also a great deal of old world charm that exists, and that's really what we're trying to feature. The historic location, so Casablanca Beach Hotel is the oldest hotel in Montego Bay. At one point it catered to royalty and diplomats and all types of worldly figures that would come in and out of Jamaica. This side of the property has been shut down, and we've invested a lot of time and love and energy to kind of bring back up that charm and history, and we are trying our hardest to celebrate that while adding our own flair. Other events that can be celebrated here, right now we cater to staff parties, engagements, weddings. We have our own party series on Sundays. We do a branded party, we have a DJ, it's great, it's beach vibe, there's a lot of boats, really just kind of like a full joy vibe. And as we look to round the last leg of construction, we'll be throwing our own parties on a weekly basis, quarterly basis. So your Thursday nights, your Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So as I said earlier, we are at Sea Island Beach Club, right? And the vibe at the moment is food. And as you can see, we have the calamari, beard battered shrimp, the oxtail, and the holy guacamole burger. If you don't know what guacamole is for Jamaica, a pear. Well, seasoned pear, right? The whole vibe is to enjoy a good meal with a
refreshing beverage and just enjoy the place because, as I said earlier, it's a vibe. And I love food. This is not balling on a budget, but guess what? Let's travel, and we're travel today. Boom. There you have it. This was a Let's Travel, and we had a great vibe here with good food, good drinks, and let me tell you, you guys need to check out Sea Island Beach Club here on the Hip Strip in Mobay.